nobody is complaining. You know, I am Mbadi. If I personally, I can feel the pressure, and I'm earning about 1 million, and I feel the pressure. That is before tax. Usifikiri hiyo ninabeba. Si baby, hata mimi I'm crying over housing levy, SHA, but my cry is lesser compared to you, because you a shilling for you is of more value than a shilling to me. Do you understand me? If today you are given 10,000 and I'm given 10,000, the effect it has in my life is lesser compared to you. Me, I will take 10,000 and go and have lunch with it, Naisha, where you can use it to feed the whole of your family for a month. Exactly. That is the difference. So we must appreciate that there is diversity in our nation, and we have this conversation like the one we are starting. How do we support people practically who are down here? So thank you very much for that. I think now. Yes, please.
While you are, don't go away. Stand there.
Yes.
So when you soul search, there is tax amnesty. Tafadhali, take advantage of it. Between now and the end of June, if you fell behind, when you soul search, please come. There is tax amnesty for all amounts up to December 31st, 2013. Yani ukianza 2013 ukiangalia nyuma, kama ulichelewa, wewe kuja hapana, ogopa. Tayari waziri na bunge na rais wakapitisha sheria so that we give you amnesty on penalty and interest. Sasa jameni. So such, and please come, don't wait for June, come this February. Thank you.
Thank you, Governor. Now, I know I'm very much aware that each and everyone would admire to talk. But in the interest of time, I'll only give 4 people to pose their question. We will still be talking here. That is the order from the ministry, okay? Not my